Hello friends, welcome back to my channel MK Creation Learning Hub. Today we are going to learn bird's name with pictures. Let's start. This is peacock. Peacock means more. This is crow. Crow means kawa. This is pigeon. Pigeon means kabutar. This is owl. Owl means ullu. This is parrot. Parrot means tota. This is sparrow. Sparrow means goraya. This is cuckoo. Cuckoo means koyal. This is crane. Crane means saras. This is manna. Manna means manna. This is swan. Swan means hans. This is vulture. Vulture means giddh. This is ostrich. Ostrich means shuturmurg. This is kingfisher. Kingfisher means neelkant. This is hen. Hen means murgi. This is cock. Cock means murga. This is quail. Quail means bater. This is duck. Duck means patak. This is penguin. Penguin means penguin. This is woodpecker. Woodpecker means katforwa. Okay, that's all friends. Don't forget, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.